I'm here at the Temple of Peace and Health in Cardiff, and we've just finished a really very moving service to mark Holocaust Memorial Day. And the title was Bridging Generations, with a theme of making sure that our young people today understand what happened in the 1940s and why it's so important that we continue to mark this event. We heard a very moving testimony from a Hungarian survivor of the Holocaust. He spoke incredibly powerfully about his experience at Bergen-Belsen and how he came to be in Wales and now speaks to children, to schools across the country, sharing his experience and urging us all to stand up against hatred and division. And one of the things we were reminded today is the importance of remembering what's happened and of recommitting ourselves to standing up against hatred and against division, and so that we make our voices heard in order to create a society that is peaceful and harmonious and just.